Hi, this is Karen with WTI. For one of my lines of work, I really need brightness. I really need a strong light that I can rely on. And Glamcore is the one. I really like the settings since they can go from a really medium setting to a super bright setting, all in the white light. I really like the versatility of the arm since I can take it with me wherever I go. I can set it up and it's sturdy. It won't move unless I move it, and I can set it up to the height or the proximity that I need it to be. And I'm in love with the design. It's super sleek, elegant. I get a lot of compliments with my light. And I also use it whenever I need to be editing videos or doing something on my desk. It's great. And that's my point of view.